DRAIVER app review 2025 worth it or leave it. Most people get this wrong, but in 2025, the gig economy has evolved, and choosing the right platform for ride-sharing, delivery, or freelance driving can make a huge difference in earnings and work-life balance. Today, we're diving deep into the DRAIVER app, a platform that promises flexible work, competitive pay, and a modern driver-friendly interface. By the end of this review, you'll know if DRAIVER is worth it or if you should leave it. Let's start with the basics. DRAIVER is a relatively new app in the mobility and gig economy sector. It allows drivers to connect with passengers, deliveries, and other driving gigs, depending on your location and vehicle type. Unlike traditional ride-sharing apps, DRAIVER focuses on transparency, driver autonomy, and better earning potential. Here's what you need to know about the DRAIVER app. 1. Sign up and onboarding. Getting started with DRAIVER is simple. In 2025, the app supports instant digital verification for your driver's license, insurance, and vehicle documents. Most drivers can get approved within 24 to 48 hours. This is a huge improvement compared to older platforms, which often take a week or more to approve new drivers. 2. Earnings and pay structure. DRAIVER is designed to offer competitive pay. Drivers are paid per ride or delivery, and there is often an option to see peak hour incentives in real time. In 2025, the platform has introduced dynamic surge pricing that adjusts automatically based on demand, meaning drivers can maximize earnings during high-demand windows. For example, if you drive in a busy city center during rush hour, your trip rate could increase by 25-50%. 3. Flexibility and scheduling. One of DRAIVER core selling points is flexibility. You can work whenever you want, set preferred hours, and even pause your availability at any time. Unlike some apps that restrict driver availability to certain zones or times, DRAIVER empowers you to control your schedule fully. This is particularly beneficial for students, part-time drivers, or those balancing multiple income streams. 4. App interface and navigation. The DRAIVER app is user-friendly and optimized for both iOS and Android devices. You can track rides, deliveries, and earnings seamlessly. The navigation integrates with multiple GPS services, allowing you to choose the best route rather than being forced into a single mapping service. This flexibility saves time, fuel, and reduces stress on longer trips. 5. Driver support and community. In 2025, DRAIVER has invested heavily in support. Drivers have access to 24/7 in-app chat support, quick resolution for disputes, and a community forum to share tips. The app also features regular webinars on maximizing earnings, safety, and customer service, which most drivers find highly useful. 6. Safety features. Safety is a top priority. DRAIVER includes in-app emergency contacts, real-time trip sharing, and optional dashcam integration for added protection. The platform also screens passengers and delivery recipients for reliability, which reduces incidents and increases driver confidence. Now, let's discuss advantages that make DRAIVER stand out in 2025. Higher earnings potential. Thanks to dynamic pricing, tipping transparency, and efficient route optimization, many drivers report earning 10-30% more compared to traditional apps. For example, Anna, a driver in Chicago, averaged $35 per hour during peak weekend hours on DRAIVER, whereas she earned around $27 per hour on another platform. Transparency and control. Drivers know exactly how much they earn per trip, including taxes, fees, and bonuses. In 2025, this transparency is crucial because gig workers increasingly demand visibility into their income and platform deductions. Multi-gig opportunities. DRAIVER allows drivers to participate in both passenger rides and delivery gigs simultaneously. This flexibility ensures that drivers have constant opportunities to earn, even if ride demand dips. For instance, during slower passenger hours, you can switch to grocery or food deliveries without leaving the app. Low commission fees. Unlike some competitors who take up to 30% per ride, DRAIVER commission structure ranges from 15-20%, meaning more money stays in the driver's pocket. Over a month of driving, This can add hundreds of dollars to your earnings. However, it's important to consider **limitations **. Market coverage **DRAIVER is still expanding its presence. In 2025, it's strong in major metropolitan areas but limited in rural regions. If you live outside a big city, opportunities may be fewer. Vehicle requirements certain gigs require newer vehicles or specific sizes for deliveries. While this is common across ride-sharing platforms, it can be a barrier for some drivers. Learning curve the multi-gig functionality is powerful but requires familiarity. New drivers may need a week or two to navigate different trip types efficiently and maximize earnings. Let's break down real-world examples Consider Michael, a full-time driver in Los Angeles. Using DRAIVER, he alternates between passenger rides in the morning and food deliveries in the evening. Over a month, he averages $4,500 in gross earnings. After accounting for gas, vehicle maintenance, and platform fees, his net income is approximately $3,800, a significant improvement over other platforms where he would earn around $3,200. Another example, Jessica, a college student in New York, uses DRAIVER part-time, focusing on evening and weekend shifts. She earns an extra $1,000 per month without interfering with her studies, thanks to the app's flexible scheduling and dynamic pricing. Now, let's compare DRAIVER to other ride-sharing and delivery platforms in 2025. Uber offers a massive user base and reliability, but takes higher commissions, and surge pricing is less transparent. Lyft similar to Uber, with slightly lower commissions, but fewer multi-gig options. DoorDash/Grubhub excellent for delivery-only drivers, but if you want both rides and deliveries, DRAIVER integrated approach is more versatile. Instacart good for grocery delivery, but limits flexibility if you want passenger trips. One of the most overlooked advantages of DRAIVER is driver empowerment In 2025, gig workers are demanding platforms that respect their time, provide clear pay structures, and offer autonomy. DRAIVER emphasizes these elements, making it attractive for both new and experienced drivers. You're not just a resource on the app, you have tools to control your work and earnings. Security is also a major focus. The app encrypts all communications, provides instant trip sharing, and supports optional driver insurance programs. In 2025, safety features are non-negotiable for most drivers, and DRAIVER meets or exceeds industry standards. Let's discuss tips to maximize earnings. On DRAIVER. 1. Drive during peak hours. Use the app's real-time surge maps to identify high-demand times. Typically, early mornings, late evenings, and weekends offer higher pay. 2. Accept multi-gig opportunities. Switch between rides and deliveries to keep earning even when demand fluctuates. 3. Optimize routes. Use the app's navigation flexibility or your preferred mapping tool to reduce travel time and fuel costs. 4. Focus on customer service. High ratings unlock bonuses, access to premium trips, and priority support. Simple gestures like polite communication and clean vehicles increase tips and ratings. 5. Monitor vehicle expenses. Track fuel, maintenance, and insurance costs to understand net earnings accurately. Higher gross pay doesn't always translate to higher net income if expenses aren't managed. So, is the DRAIVER app worth it or leave it? For most drivers, especially those in urban areas looking for flexibility and competitive pay, it's absolutely worth it. The combination of multi-gig opportunities, transparent pay, low commissions, and flexible scheduling makes it a strong contender in the gig economy landscape of 2025. However, if you live in a rural area with limited coverage or prefer traditional in-person driving jobs, DRAIVER might not be ideal on its own. It's best paired with other platforms to maximize opportunity. But for city drivers and those who value control over their schedule and earnings, DRAIVER provides a compelling, modern alternative. In conclusion, the DRAIVER app in 2025 represents the future of flexible, driver-friendly gig work. Most people get this wrong by sticking with traditional apps that take higher commissions, offer less transparency, or restrict multi-gig functionality. By choosing DRAIVER, you gain autonomy, higher earning potential, and the flexibility to work on your own terms. For drivers seeking control, efficiency, and better pay, DRAIVER is highly worth it.